Meaning of green vegetable.
Green vegetable.
Green vegetable.
Green vegetable.
Green vegetable. Green vegetable refers to any edible plant that is green in color. These vegetables are an important source of essential vitamins and minerals in a person's diet, including vitamin A, C, and K, iron, and calcium. Examples of these include spinach, broccoli, kale, lettuce, and collard greens. By consuming a variety of green vegetables regularly, individuals can improve their overall health and reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Adding these nutrient-dense foods to one's diet can have significant benefits for maintaining optimal health and well-being.